Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Alexa from Barbie and the Secret Door in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can put on this hairstyle and then you're going to make it back and remove the flower. And then you're going to put on this tiara from the VIP room. But if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another item. Okay, and you can do a little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate and scale. And for the color, you're going to make it this color for the base. And for the diamonds, you can make it this color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, and I'm going to select this top and I'm going to make it this color for the first selection. This is for the color code, and for the next selection I'm going to make it this color. Oops, not this one. Well, let me choose the suitable color. Okay, you can make it this color guys. This is for the color code, and for the next one I'm just going to make it this color. Alright, and then we're going to change all the material to glitter. Okay, I'm going to make it glitter for all the selection. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to choose the skirt. We're going to remove the layer and make it this color. Okay, the same pink color I have applied before. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area. It's right here. And then I'm going to put on this skirt and make it pink. This pink color for the first selection and also the second selection. And again, we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to put on this dress and then choose the skirt only. And then we're going to make it pink for the first selection, the second selection, and also the third selection. And we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to this heels area. And I'm going to put on this heels. And we're going to make it this pink color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create Princess Alexa from Barbie and the Secret Door. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.